In this video, I'll show you how to put a Greenlight card on Cash App. Linking your Greenlight card allows you to manage your funds and make transfers directly from Cash App easily. First, open Cash App on your mobile device and tap on your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all your personal and financial information. Next, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. This section allows you to connect a bank account or card to Cash App. To add your Greenlight card, select the option to link a credit or debit card. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV or CVC code on the back of your card. You may also need to enter the zip code associated with your Greenlight card. Carefully fill in all the required information and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the details are entered correctly, Cash App will process your card, and you should see it linked to your account. In some cases, you may also have an option to search specifically for Greenlight in the list of supported cards. Follow any additional prompts, and your card will be connected. And that's it. Putting your Greenlight card on Cash App is quick, simple, and makes it easier to manage your money and make transfers right from your phone.